same color as the pillow. Ay. Hold on. This is not a good look. Wait a minute. Good morning, you guys. This is how I look in the morning. Yeah, it's scary, I know. Really quick, I wanted to show you this product from YaNibest. I wore it tonight for the first time. It came in yesterday, and it says wake up and be radiant. I love the gold and the flower. It's gonna make me want to keep the box. I have to play with Nala as well. It says hair health treatment, and then it says hair soft, moisturized, tangle free, anti-frizz, and anti-static. And yeah, it's just a satin bonnet. I'm gonna keep this box actually. I really like it. Babe, I'll play with you in a second, okay? I promise. So here it is. You wrap it around and you tie it. I'm gonna play with Nala for a little bit, and then I want to take you guys with me because I want to go walk at the beach, and I think that would be a lot of fun. Make some coffee. I bought some things recently for my kitchen, like kind of like a mini coffee bar, not too much because I don't want to spend too much, you know. I just want something sweet, short, simple, but also affordable, so I'm not always going to like Paris Baguette or Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. I want to start being more, which I always have, but I just want to hone down even more. Yes, baby, hold on, please. I want to hone in even more. Babes, I know you want me to throw the ball, but I'm trying to film this video, okay? I will get your chewy in a minute, okay? Thank you, my love. I know. Ay, pero qué tristeza. I love you too. Can you wait, please? Thank you. So yeah, just trying to be more sustainable, more cognizant. I've made bread on my own. I've made milk, non-dairy milk, and you save a lot, and it's fun. It's fun to do stuff from home. So yeah, I'm gonna play with Nala for a little bit, get ready, I'm gonna do matcha today with lavender, I think. And then we'll go to the beach together. Yay! Oh, and check out my screen real quick. Hold on. And look, the bonnet matches my decor, which I love. And oh, that's my mama right there. My sister gave me back her ashes, so that was really cool. And there's Nala acting like a spoiled brat. Spoiled brat. Let me go get her ball and play with her real quick. Hold on. Ya, mami, ya voy. Porque tú no me dejas trabajar. Tú no me dejas hacer nada. ¿Es verdad? ¿Es verdad? Okay. Let me see. How far did you push this ball back, babe? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Pero muchacha, tú tienes 4 balls. 4. Tú tienes 4. ¿A dónde tú estás escondiendo todos tus balls? Mira. Nada. Look. 1. Nada. 2. Ay, muchacha. 3. Coño. 4. Tú tienes 4. Tú tienes 4 más. ¿Estás loca tú? Ay, Dios. Pues nada, mami. Let's play. Hold on. Bring to mama. Bring it.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you say to my eyes.
Hold on. I think I got it. Hey, just wanted to pop in and tell you a little bit about this trail. I fell upon this by accident, and I seen all these shells. They were so beautiful, like different sayings. There was one that, well, there was many that had couple names, like this one. I thought that was so romantic. One day when I have a boyfriend, I'm gonna buy a shell and do that. Let me take that back, a husband. And there were some that said love dance, which I thought was really great because you guys know I love dance. And there were a couple, like, people actually drew landscapes and stuff, like Jesus loves you. There were 2 others that had like phrases from the Bible. It was just so beautiful. Come. Well, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you like coming with me today. And until my next video, besos.